Writing a resume after release from prison is about showing employers your skills, reliability, and future value. The focus is on opening doors, not explaining the past. Start by choosing a functional or combination resume format if you have employment gaps or limited recent history. These formats highlight your abilities and growth instead of spotlighting time away. If you have solid post-release work or training, a reverse chronological format works well. Just begin with your most recent experiences. Always keep your resume clean, professional, and limited to one page. Begin with your contact information: full name, phone, professional email, and city and state. Add a LinkedIn profile or portfolio if it strengthens your application. Next, include a professional summary or objective, 3 to 5 lines focused on your current strengths and what you offer employers. Follow with a skills section, listing 6 to 10 transferable or job-specific skills. Draw from work, training, or volunteering, and include soft skills like reliability, teamwork, and time management. For work experience, use neutral employer names and focus on duties and results, such as prepared meals for large groups, maintained strict sanitation standards, and collaborated with a team. Add education, certifications, and relevant programs, plus any volunteer work or achievements. Always be honest about your experience and credentials, but do not mention your criminal record on your resume. Use action verbs and quantify achievements where possible. Customize your resume for each job by matching keywords from the job description. Seek help from re-entry programs, nonprofits, or online tools, and have someone review your resume for errors. Pair your resume with a short, focused cover letter. If asked about your past, acknowledge it briefly, take responsibility, and highlight your growth. In interviews, prepare a calm, factual, and forward-looking explanation. Many people successfully rebuild their careers after incarceration. You are taking a positive step by preparing your resume. Stay persistent, use available resources, and focus on your strengths. You have value to offer.